Hello, so we're just starting our day here, just at Scriber, Ontario. I just went up the hill back there and I'm nice and warm. It's supposed to be snowing a bunch. Low visibility, high winds. More later though. Right now it's pretty okay. It just started snowing. Yeah, we'll see how it is. So yeah, this is what we're dealing with right now. I won't do any like action shots of, you know, I won't put the camera on my head, right? Because I'm afraid the GoPro will stop working. But yeah, I'll just give you some updates every now and then. I don't know how far I biked, maybe 10K, 15. Yeah. So it's a 90K day. So it's gonna be tough, I think. So here we have Lake Superior. Yeah. I think I'm about 30K in out of 90. This is these are the conditions right now. I just took a quick break. Yeah, ate some food, some dates. Oh, just biking. Not too windy right now. It was pretty windy. It was pretty bad. It was like, yeah, I don't know. It's hard. This whole thing's hard. But yeah, I'm more than halfway there. I don't know how much I have to go. Maybe 40K. Yeah. Wow, it's not bad. But yeah, before the I think the first maybe 25-30K was well, it was a lot easier. Yeah, like the roads were a lot clearer. But yeah, I also wanted to say I got offered a ride at one point. And it's kind of on the table too, because I don't know how fast if I could make it to, you know, the next town before dark, and it's supposed to be really cold, so I want to be in a town. So it's getting a ride's on the table, but like in general, like even if I'm going slow, you know, as long as I'm having fun, I think it's pretty good. Yeah. Here we are, seeing the sun for the first time today. Nice view, you know, good visibility here. Very cool. Very fun stuff. So I've arrived in Nipissing, and we have this cool lookout tower, I believe. Yeah, so I'm just making my way to the top. So that way is Lake Superior. Might be pretty far from it. This is I think Nipissing River over here, and here's a big bridge I crossed to get here, and over there there's something, I don't know, a lake or river, I forget. I'm pretty sure there was a sign, but yeah, yeah, so fun day. I don't know if I have a place to stay or not. Might be a cold night, we'll see.